Welcome to the weekly recap brought to you by themortgagereel.com for the week ending March the 27th. This week was actually pretty quiet as we took in what happened last week with announcements from the Federal Reserve, absorbed it, and saw the marketplace pretty flat. However, we did see interest rates improve in the later half of the week. Coming into Friday is some of the best rates that we've seen all week, dipping down below into that 4.625 range. Now, where does this actually lead us? Going into next week, the biggest announcement is going to come on April 2nd with the mark-to-market accounting. This is highly impactful for the financial world, being the banks. If this mark-to-market accounting should pass, the whole way that banks see liquidity, their balance sheets, the way they're able to lend, in the business world, in the private world, in the mortgage world, is all going to shift. It may not be happening overnight, but it's going to change the way the banks can move forward. And that modification is looked to be voted on and brought to the marketplace on April the 2nd. Now next week there's highly impactful news starting from Tuesday to Friday. We have the consumer confidence report that comes out, surprisingly coming out a little bit better by tenths of a point, better than last month. We have the ADP non-farm payroll reports, which gives us a glimpse of to the unemployment. We have the ISM index, crude inventories, and then on Friday the unemployment report. Why this is so important is because we get an eye opening as to where the economy is and where we are moving forward. Now, unemployment reports, the numbers are still going to come in slightly higher than last month, but the key thing is, will this mark-to-market accounting adjustment / modification allow the banks to start lending openly to the businesses? And will businesses start to create more employment opportunities? And will that slowly take care of unemployment? That is a very long-term question that's yet to be answered, but this is the small steps, the baby steps, that hopefully we're taking in the right direction. At least government is attempting to make us move in the right direction. So most importantly, we wanted to let you know that next week is going to be a pivotal week as far as what happens with interest rates. The last thing we want to let you know of, it's very important to understand that the 105% affordable home loan program is getting ready to be launched, and that's why they've created a vehicle, meaning interest rates to stay somewhat flat, to give an opportunity to the homeowners that need to take advantage of this crucial program to get in a better cash flow situation. So with this announcement, you need to understand, is your home loan currently with Fannie Mae, or is your home loan currently with Freddie Mac? The answer doesn't come, well, my loan's with Chase, or my loan's with Washington Mutual, or Countrywide, or Flagstar, all these different banks, Wells Fargo. That's not the answer. Is it Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac? So on our home page, you will see under the Affordable Home Loan Program, you'll see the links 3/4 of the way down the page to go to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. You simply have to put in your address, answer a system password ID so that it can't be spammers doing this, and then it'll tell you you're with Fannie Mae or you're with Freddie Mac. It's very important to understand this, because if you need this program to assist you in order to refinance and put yourself in a better cash flow position, you need to have this information ready before you can even go talk to the banks. Now, some banks will have it at hand, we will have it at hand, so it depends on who you're working with. Now again, it all comes down to the professional you're working with. We've been encouraging this, emphasizing this, and unfortunately driving it down your throats. But we want to make sure that you guys understand that it's important right now with your largest investment, your home, that you're working with the right professional. If they don't understand these strategies, these opportunities, what's going on in the marketplace, staying up to speed with it, all the changes, the guidelines, and how we deliver this to you and impact you in the most positive way that we can deliver the services for, you need to check yourself out and go find the right professional. Because the person you're working with probably is not the right one. So we just want to make sure to get that point and drive it home once again. Next week's going to be very pivotal. Please stay tuned as we'll bring you breaking news headlines. We'll probably have something on April the 2nd when the mark-to-market accounting modification is made and how that impacted interest rates, and also more and more updates as we lead up to the official release of the 105% refinance program. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend and stay tuned.